Chrome has a setting that upgrades how it warns you about dangerous sites, bad downloads, and shady extensions. And most people have never touched it. It is called Enhanced Protection, and turning it on takes about 10 seconds. Here it is, and then the one real trade-off it asks you to accept, and where the line sits between what it catches and what it does not. Open settings, then privacy and security, then security. You can also go straight there, chrome://settings/security. Under safe browsing, you will see three options in a list: no protection at the bottom, standard protection in the middle, and enhanced protection at the top. Click enhanced protection. That is the entire change. One click, no restart, no confirmation dialog. Chrome applies it immediately, and it stays on until you come back to this same page and pick something else. Now, what did you actually just turn on? Chrome's safe browsing has three levels, and that click was a choice between them, not a simple on-off switch. No protection turns the whole system off. Dangerous sites and downloads go completely unchecked, and Chrome itself does not recommend it. Standard protection is the default every Chrome install ships with. It checks the sites you visit against Google's list of known bad sites, using a privacy-preserving method that only sends an obfuscated piece of the web address through a privacy server, not the whole thing. Enhanced protection, what you just picked, checks in real time instead of against a periodically updated list, which means it can catch a dangerous site within minutes of it going live, before standard protections list has even caught up. Here is what that one click actually buys you. Standard protection checks a scrambled piece of the address you are visiting against a list Chrome already has stored locally, so Google never sees the address in full unless the site turns out to be suspicious. Enhanced protection instead sends the full address to Google in real time on every site you visit, checked against threats as they are discovered instead of waiting for the next list update. On downloads, enhanced protection can also request a deeper file scan, the actual file content, not just a file name hash, before letting a suspicious download finish. That catches malware a hash-based check on standard would miss entirely, because changing a single byte gives a file a brand new hash. If enhanced protection is grayed out and will not let you click it, look for a small icon next to the option labeled Managed by your organization. Chrome shows that when a work or school account has this locked by policy, your organization's IT admin already picked a level and you cannot override it on that profile. On a personal Google account, all three options stay clickable. That real-time check is also the honest trade-off, and it is worth saying plainly instead of glossing over it. Enhanced protection means Chrome sends Google the URL of every site you visit, a small sample of page content, and some system information in real time for as long as the setting stays on. That is more data leaving your machine than standard protection sends. Google's stated use for that data is exactly this threat detection, and turning it on also strengthens safe browsing checks in Gmail and other signed-in Google products. But it is still a real privacy cost, and you should turn it on because you have weighed that trade, not because a video told you to. This setting exists on Android and iPhone too, under almost the same path: the menu, then settings, then privacy and security, then safe browsing, with the same three options: enhanced, standard, and no protection. If you use Chrome on more than one device, check it on each one instead of assuming setting it on your computer covered your phone too. One honest limit before you consider this closed out. Enhanced protection is very good at catching sites and downloads that are already known bad, or that match the pattern of an active attack Google is tracking in real time. It does not stop you from typing your password into a fake page that looks identical to the real one and has not been flagged yet. And it will not stop a link inside an email or a text message from looking legitimate before you click it. That is why, personally, I never click a link inside an email or text claiming to be my bank or a delivery service. I search for the site directly and go there myself instead. Enhanced protection is a real upgrade, not a replacement for that habit. So to recap: settings, privacy and security, security, and click enhance protection. That is the entire setting. It trades more data sent to Google in real time for faster detection of new dangerous sites and deeper scans on suspicious downloads. It exists the same way on Android and iPhone, so check it there too instead of assuming your computer covered it. And it still will not save you from a convincing fake page, so keep typing addresses in yourself instead of trusting a link. This is ChromeStory.com, decoding everything Chrome since 2009. Subscribe because this is Chrome explained properly.